Hey everybody, welcome to Titans of CNC Academy. My name is Billy Boyce, and today I'm going to take you through designing TITAN-87L in Fusion 360. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is make sure we are in the design workspace. And I'm going to come up here and just click Create Sketch. First thing I'll do is choose this front plane. And I'm going to go ahead and create this using a 2-point rectangle. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to left click on the mouse and drag over to the left. I'm going to type in 1, then I'm going to press tab, and I'm going to do 0.95, which is the diameter of the part, divided by 2, because we're only drawing half the part and we're going to revolve it around the center line here. I'm going to go ahead and quickly freehand some lines here. So come up to line, click that. I'm just going to do this, something about like that. It looks like I got an extra line here maybe. Yep. Press delete. I'm going to go ahead and connect this to that. Let's go ahead and make sure it's horizontal. Okay. Now I'm going to press sketch dimension. I'm going to click here and here. Give me an angle of 70 degrees. This line here is going to be 0.5. We're going to go from here to the center point. The diameter of that hole is 0.423 divided by 2. Enter. We'll do the same thing here. 0.313 divided by 2. Enter. Now we're going to go ahead and do the little cutouts on the side. So I'm going to come up here to 2-point rectangle. I'm going to click here and move that over. I'm going to press tab so I can fill in the width. That's going to be 0.06. I'm going to go ahead and press enter. Now I'm going to do the diameter. So here to here. That's a 0.83 divided by 2. Enter. Now we're going to go ahead and go from here to the bottom of that cut. We have a 0.160. Enter. That looks good. Let's go ahead and add the fillets at the bottom. There's an 1/8 thou. So we'll go fillet. Click that corner, 0.008. Go ahead and choose that one as well. Press enter. We're good to go. So let's go ahead and go create rectangular pattern. I'm going to left click and hold the mouse button, and I'm going to drag it over that cube we just drew and the fillets. We're going to press select here, and we're going to choose this top line. That's going to run this pattern that direction along with the line. We're going to set this to spacing. We're going to need 6 of those, and the distance between them is going to be 100 thou. Enter. And if we want to just check real quick, we can come here and go sketch dimension. From here to that bottom last one should be 6.6, and it is. So we know our spacing's good. Everything looks good. We'll go ahead and say finish sketch. Come up here to create revolve. We're just going to choose this area right here. This needs to go away, and we'll choose that line. We'll say OK. Now we'll go modify chamfer. We'll choose all of these edges here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's just a 10 thou, 0.01. Press enter. Take a look at it. Looks good. And there you go. That is the Titan 87L.